In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use your Android camera, that is the camera on your Android phone, as a webcam for your PC. Let's jump right in. To be able to use your phone as a webcam for your PC, you'll need this app called DroidCam. So once you download and install the app, you open it. Of course, first of all, you need to connect to your PC, or you have to connect your phone and your PC to the same network. Now, on your DroidCam interface, you have device IP and you have DroidCam port. Since the phone and the PC are not connected to the same network, you have device IP, this is the external IP, and then you have device port. Now, if they are connected to the same network, you will see two IP addresses. Now, the second IP address will be the local IP address. The local IP address being the IP address that is allocated within the network that is just made up of your phone and your PC. Now, once that happens, there are some icons here that we need to explore. Here we see select camera, which means you can choose whether you want to use the back camera or the front camera. So in this case, we want to use the back camera, and there are other options here. You have help, you have settings, and in settings you can choose whether you want to limit the frames per second and the microphone settings as well, whether you want to suppress noise or you want to choose input source. In this case, you can choose input source to be an external microphone, the camera, that is your inbuilt camera app, or any other input source. You can set up a username and a password for your IP webcam. On the desktop side of things, we can just launch the DroidCam app. We've already typed in the IP address, and of course we have three options here. We can connect over Wi-Fi, we can connect over USB, and we can make our desktop a Wi-Fi server. In this case, we use the desktop as a source where we can connect other devices to. But in this case, we are connecting our desktop to our phone, so we just click start. We have our webcam up and running on the phone screen. You see that we are pointing at the PC using the phone camera. So at this point, we are using the phone as a webcam for the PC. Okay, so to use this in an external app, assuming you want to run something like Zoom or you want to use any other video capturing device, let's launch this video capturing app. You see that we had already set up the video capturing app on the PC to make use of our DroidCam. At this point, you can see that the video capturing device is DroidCam source. So since we are using DroidCam source as our video capturing device, you see we get the video directly from our Android device. So basically, that is how you can connect your Android device to a PC and use it as a webcam. So if you want to record, of course, you can hit here to start recording and so on and so forth. You can do this with Zoom. You can do this with any other app that requires a visual input source. You can use your DroidCam client as a capturing device to capture directly from your phone. Whatever your phone camera sees, your capturing device will see the same thing and then stream it across. You can record whatever is coming from your phone, and you can use it for conference calls. You can use it for any other form of interaction. To stop streaming, you can just click stop here. Then once you click stop, it disconnects. Question of the day: is there any task that you are trying to carry out on your Android device and is giving you a headache? If there is any such question, please drop it in the comment section below so that anyone that has a solution to that problem can drop it there for you, or I can use it as a topic for an upcoming video. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.